Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make whitening lotion. This lotion is infused with a lot of beautiful oils and active agents that will give you at least 2 to 3 shades lighter. So let's go. Let me show you how to formulate this amazing whitening lotion. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a whitening lotion. So I will be showing you the things I will need to make it. So this is kojic acid. This is a whitening powder, kojic acid powder. This is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B2. Then this is our Snowhite powder. These are all the whitening powders I will use. Then for the oils, I will use Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is a very good oil. It helps with anti-aging. It also helps in rejuvenating the skin cells. Then I purposely chose these oils because of the benefits it has. Then I'll be using almond oil. Almond oil is also a very good oil. It's good in anti-aging, and it's a smoothing oil. Then I also chose orange oil. Orange oil is also good. It contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. Then I'll be using aha oil too. Aya oil is anti-inflammatory. It also helps to remove stretch marks on the skin. Then for my serums, I'll be using sandal lotion. These are serums which help to activate the cream. These are serums which we use in making the cream work well. Then I'll be using 2 serums. Then I'll be using this 42 lotion serum. Then the next thing I'll use is this is vitamin E oil. I'll use it also. Then I'll use essential oil, frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is a very good essential oil. It helps with removing stretch marks as well. Then I'll use whitening glycerin. Since it's a whitening oil, glycerin is a humectant and it helps to attract moisture to the skin. So it's also good for making lotions. Then finally, this is German Plus, which I will use also. This is a preservative. I'll put it in the cream as well, the whitening cream. Then this is a base cream. This is the base, the cream I will use. I will incorporate all this into this cream. Then that becomes my whitening cream. If you go through my videos, you will see where I gave a tutorial on how to make a base cream. This is just a bare cream which doesn't contain anything at all. So with this cream now, I will incorporate all this and that becomes my whitening cream. So let's start with the mixture. First of all, I'll measure out the things I'll need. If you go down below this video, I'll write down the recipe so you can all go through it and also formulate your own whitening cream at home. So let's start. So this is my base cream. Everything we are doing here is according to measurements. We have a certain measurement to use. You can't just put anything like that. So I've measured out the base cream. We're going to be making 350 grams of whitening lotion. So this is the base cream, and here the gram of base cream we're using is 215 grams. I've already measured out my oils here, my carrier oils, which are this oil now. So I'll just pour it into the base cream like this. Then I will also measure out other things I've measured out my base cream, I've measured out my oils, which I've poured here now. So I'll measure out the other ingredients I'll be using. So here goes, I'll measure it now. So okay, I've measured out, these are my whitening powders. I've measured them out, all of them, the whitening powders. This is my anti-reaction and my serums. So I'll be pouring it into my base cream. Yeah. Then I'll then pour the measured out whitening powder into this cream. So after that, now I'll just the next thing I'll do is to measure out the remaining things, which are the whitening glycerin, frankincense oil, vitamin E oil. So I'll be measuring out 3 grams of each of them. 3 grams of each of them. So everything will be 12 grams. So I'll just press here so it will be 0. Start again. So I'll measure out everything now. So I've measured it out. This is 12 grams of each of the whitening glycerin, vitamin E oil, frankincense essential oil, and the German Plus. So I'll just pour this into the base cream. Then after that I'll mix it. So let me switch it on. So we're going to be mixing it with this mixer. So I'll give it a good mixing. Let me just make it there. So these are to make our lotion, whitening lotion. So we just mix it like this. So everything will mix well. So you can see a whitening lotion is set. So this is how to make a whitening lotion. So I'll just pack it into my containers and package it for sale. So yeah, this is how to make a whitening lotion. So if you like what you watched, kindly like, follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.